Welcome to this new video on how you can use Chatgpt in order to improve the performance of your Ideta chatbot. So as you may already know, in Ideta, you can use AI, such as Dialogflow, in order to answer specific questions from your users. So the main difference between ChatGPT and Ideta is with ChatGPT, you will have difficulties to actually have precise response. ChatGPT is not really reliable, so he can answer, but you can't make sure that the answer he will provide to users are the right ones. But what can be interesting is you can use ChatGPT to help you train your Ideta chatbot. So you can use an AI to train your own AI. And the way it's going to work is quite easy. So you'll need, of course, a ChatGPT account. And you can just ask him, can you, so for example, in Ideta, I want to have like questions as about like the pricing. So, and I'm going to tell ChatGPT, imagine you are a customer of software and I need 20 examples of sentences to ask about pricing. And so we're gonna see what he's giving us. And like that, you'll get, so that's where maybe it's not gonna be reliable. So I asked for 20, maybe it won't give 20. Maybe all the sentences won't be right, but we'll just copy and paste the interesting ones into our intent, and it's gonna enhance the training of our chatbot. So it's gonna be very easy to use. We got the 20 sentences, and like that, I can just copy and paste and enhance my use case. So copy, paste. So this part is a little bit bothersome, but we're working on a native integration so that you don't need to copy and paste actually. So if you're interested in into this integration, let us know and subscribe for early access. And so like that, for example, this question about pricing or free trials, maybe you want to have like, that's where you need to think, so, and where you can improve your training. So instead of just copying and pasting the sentence, you can think, okay, maybe I should add an intent about free trials. Okay, so like that, when people ask about just pricing, how much the cost, and I just redirect them to the pricing page or to a demo with a salesperson. So we can still create another intent about free trials. We can build another intent about, I see discounts, so you can create an intent to answer about discounts. So like that, he's giving you ideas about how you can structure your intents and how you can enhance the training of your chatbot. So you can create like, let's say, free trial. Since you have this new ID, and you can also talk to him and tell him, can you do the same as a customer requesting a free trial? And let's see, can I try your software for free? And like that, quite easily, you get new training sentences, and you're going to be able to copy and paste them into the software. So once again, this is all very interesting, and we really think there is a lot to be done with combining ChatGPT or ChatGPT-like technology, which is very creative, writes really fast, with more targeted AI like the one we use in Ideta, and which is more reliable and a lot easier and more targeted for professional experience. So I hope this video was interesting for you, and do not hesitate, as I said, to ask any questions, and of course to subscribe and register for a free trial of our new feature integrating ChatGPT natively into our software.